Hello and welcome to Universal Studios Florida. And yes, I'm at the whole resort. Not just IOA, we're doing both. It has been about 4.5 years since I was last here. But to put that in perspective, the only video I had on this channel back then was the Hollywood Nights Walkback Tour. The lockers are in the queue. What? The lockers are in the queue like steel engines. Let's see if Velocicoaster can retain its #1 spot. I hope it does. I hope it does. Because this thing is amazing, if I remember. Doom's Drop. And now into the actual Studios park. Now we're finally gonna go get on Simpsons ride. Hope it's good. The Simpsons ride is way better than I thought it would be. Like way better. Or way better than I remember it being. I've read this before. Men in Black.
Video phone.
Yeah.
I think Men in Black's a pretty good shooting dark ride. One of the better ones I've ridden. Gringotts is a pretty good ride. A little bit longer than other coasters. Lots of block stands. Lots and lots of block stands. Parades and Transformers. for a second.
Not if Felipe has anything to do with it. You might not even get any.
Backstage areas. Old timer Ford, old timer Chevy. Old timer Chevy. Another old timer Ford. And something. Well, no more Rip Ride Rocket. They're playing the big intro. Well, this is where Rocket used to sit. I don't know if I can get that there. I'm too short of a GoPro stick. Back to Islands we go. Man, nothing beats that old B&M roar. I don't even think B&M's now roar as much as they do. They don't roar and they rattle. How far B&M's fallen. Been journey. Right after I ate some just amazing kebabs. Let's go. I don't know if Forbidden Journey. Slightly creepy, slightly fun. Actually, slightly creepy, very fun. Yeah, that's a good description of it. Another one. It's all falls.
Is anyone actually on it?
No. Thankfully. Comics, old-timey cartoons, comic, and old-timey cartoon. Thanks for watching. This is Chris Aviation. I'll see you in the next video.